Hi, my name is Kavya, and today I have somebody very amazing, the very inspirational, I would say, with me today. And it is my privilege to be talking to him today. A virtual welcome to you, Among Sir, to the Radio One Studios. How are you?
Very good. Thank you, Kavya, for having me. And virtual world is a new thing that we are doing, which is fantastic. Times have changed, and I love it as it is.
So it's almost D-Day now. How are you feeling about the re-release of the film?
uh, I wanted to, figure out how this movie would get its legs to reach millions and millions of people. And right now we are sitting in like just one day left, and 23rd September we'll get the best viewing platform that we have, which is MX Player, and free for all to come and see and watch. And nothing better than this, because this movie required the largest reach possible, because it's such an inspiring story. And yes, I mean, when the producers decided on this thing, I was like, it's like fantastic. This is what we should do, and love it.
Lovely. Sir, in one of your past interactions, you said that world cinema is about telling true stories. What made you think about this particular
See, world cinema is basically telling stories which inspire people. Okay, and some things that we've seen that and we know about it, but completely we don't know about it. Okay,
film?
what made that person the person he is or she is?
Right.
How inspiring it is, or the incident. What does it make us relive that moment again? And would I get would I get something to take out of the film, and it'll be there throughout my life with me, as in, will a girl get inspired while watching Mary Com? Will a person be inspired to get someone out of a jail from thing is Sarabjit? Will a
Right.
chai wala again today, staying somewhere in a deep down village, or in Mumbai itself, get that inspiration to, yes, because somebody has made it so big, can I do it? And that's what inspires me, and those stories stay. Okay, with that you can count on your fingers, but they stay.
Right.
Sportsman journey stays, because they all go through hardships, and how they come out, and that is something unheard of, and that is why it makes a good viewing.
True. So when we talk about true stories, I'm sure the research and everything would have been very tough. How do you and your team manage that?
Oh, it's not just a research of
True.
the actual facts that we know of, which are
Right.
in the platform that everyone can access. The things that are not heard and not seen, घड़ी कैसे पहनते हैं, बटन ऊपर बंद करते नहीं करते, those are also things that we have to research on. Okay, left hand से बाल बनाते कि right hand से बाल बनाते, not that it matters to anyone. Okay,
Same.
it's just that gives you a foolproofness of the study of a character.
Right.
By saying that he wears his shoes when he gets up in the morning, what does he do? So that gives you an added bonus while you're doing the film, that you're authenticating a person's life journey as well as the person itself. So while I'm you know किसी को भी इंस्पायर कर सकते हैं, क्या कर सकते हैं, सुबह उठ के देखो ये गागल करते हैं, वो पागल सी चीज भी अगर मैं दिखाऊं और किसी ने पकड़ लिया, तो इट जस्ट बिकम्स लाइक अरे हाँ, ये कैसे कर दिया, ये तो सोचा नहीं, क्यों किया. So
Right.
yes, while doing a biopic, you have to stay true to the person and the journey, and pick the point of that whole life journey into 2 hours. Get those points which make a nice storytelling pattern. Then you join the dots and true incidents. So we on a board mark, okay, like this
Okay.
year this happened, this happened, this happened, this happened. Now इसके बीच की journey, भले it's not a one string line, then the director comes in. ये हम करके जाएंगे, we are not deviating from his life, but this might have happened. Okay, I don't need to go and double check or whatever is that, but this could happen, which is not taking away from the story, but cinematically I'm getting the liberty to do something nice.
Right.
Okay, and that's how I do my research, and I do my thorough research. मतलब लोग मेरे से पागल हो जाते हैं कि सर क्यों, जरूरत नहीं, ऐसे नहीं, जरूरत है, मेरे को जरूरत है, then I'll be telling a true story.
Right. So, keeping in mind that Vivek sir already had close contacts with Sir Narendra Modi, did he be of any help while you were making this character or making this film?
See, I've been always been told and like that I am not a political person. Okay,
Right.
I'm not going into the political world. I'm talking an inspiring story. Okay,
True.
so yes, his knowing him and being part of it was his story, not my story. Okay, for me, I didn't look at
Right.
anything. I was thinking कि मुझे कैसे एक चाय वाले को पीएम बनाना है, मेरे को वो स्टोरी बताओ, उसकी फैमिली कैसी है, उसने क्या किया ये साल में, इस साल के बारे में मेरे को पता ही नहीं, तो वो क्या हुआ था. So war, yes, I mean we once we brainstorm and we come up with the anecdotes and ये हमके ये लाइब्रेरी से ये मिला है, इधर से ये मिला है, तो वो सब लेके हम पुट टुगेदर करते हैं एंड देन इट हेल्प्स अस टू मेक. इफ आई एम गोइंग रॉन्ग देन ही वुड से अरे ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा कर सकते हैं क्या.
हाँ.
I said, yeah, it can work. So that is the only thing that I've been taking back from him.
Right. So when we talk about biopics, it's you who always comes to our mind. So why this preference?
I have no idea. It's been labeled to me, and suddenly, like I've been telling everyone, I used to hate that छाप, okay, that tag, biopic director. ऐसे मेरे पिटारे में इतनी सारी पिक्चर हैं जो तुम लोग अभी देखने वाले हो. Suddenly there won't be a biopic director छाप, but then I'll miss it. Maybe, अब क्या हो गया, वो authenticity आ गई है. चलो हाँ, biopic director है तो कुछ गलत नहीं करेगा. That is what I'm starting to like about it. Okay, right now, so many years down the line, also people whenever they want to talk about something, they call me, sir, can I get you, can I get this quote from you? Because you directed so many things. So कहीं कहीं चिड़ होता है कि यही डायरेक्ट करूंगा, दूसरा नहीं कर रहा क्या. But then suddenly पता चलता है नहीं, they're trusting me because जो कर रहा है बंदा गलत नहीं कर रहा है. And that's why I believe, that's why authenticity आती है. तो आगे भी जो मैं फौजा करूंगा या कुछ भी करूंगा, तो हर 3 पिक्चर के बाद में एक बायोपिक आ ही रही है, बिकॉज इट्स सडनली इंस्पायरिंग. ओके, बड़ी पिक्चर बनानी है वो तो हमेशा मेरा रहा है, लेकिन इट्स बेसिकली व्हाट इंस्पायर्स मी इज व्हाट आई लाइक टू टेल, एंड उसमें से छाप नाउ आई डोंट माइंड.
Okay, sir, what was our honorable PM Sir's reaction when he saw this movie? Can you recollect it?
Only to my things.
What was your reaction when you saw it on the big screen?
Oh, I mean, see, generally, I'm such a person that I don't cry, okay, but I know ये फिल्म में ये सीन में रोना है और मैं खुद भी रोता हूँ.
You already know
okay,
it.
मैंने इतनी टाइम Yeah, no, but I know ये पॉइंट पर ये म्यूजिक का टोन टाउन आया और उसमें आपकी आंसू निकलने वाली है, एंड होपफुली अगर मेरी निकली तो फिर ऑडियंस की भी निकलेगी. एंड ये पागलपन है, बट आई डू क्राई व्हेन आई सी मूवीज. ओके, सो इफ इट टचेस मी, इट टचेस एवरीथिंग. लाइक सर, अभी तो मेरे को पता है, मैं अगर थिएटर में भी घुस के जाऊंगा, मैं अगर बाहर से भी खड़ा हूँ, अच्छा ये सीन आ रहा है, वो आने वाला, आई नो दिस डायलॉग इज गोना बी से, अभी ये आंसू निकलने वाला है, सबके देख रहा हूँ निकल रहा है कि नहीं, मेरा भी निकलता है. तो आई नो दोस इमोशंस एंड आई फेल्ट फैंटास्टिक व्हेन दिस मूवी केम आउट. ओके, इट वाज some very hardship way we've done this film. It's such a huge base to it, so many people and hardships. The way we have made this film is on a big scale, be thousands of people and the yatras and this and that. तो उसमें जब छपके, जब when it comes on big screen, you can see your hard work pay off and you relive the whole thing. इसमें ये गड़बड़ किसी ने देखा नहीं, मेरे को पता है पीछे ये हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है. तो those also things that go on your mind, but when finally you see with the music and all, it's spectacular, and that's what every director waits for.
True. So what were the creative challenges, or say, because we talked about hardship, were there any creative challenges that you faced while making this film?
Creative nahi is basically the manpower behind this whole scale was stupendous. It's like, like I'm telling you, the ending scene was in Banaras. We said the final thing, we'll keep it for Banaras. वो last leg करेंगे. That like thousands of people, and उसमें से मेरे actors सिर्फ 100 है, 1000 they're not my actor. उसके बीच में जाके my real rally is gonna go out. How do I do it? So those are challenging things. How do I manage hidden cameras throughout, and he's gonna go within the whole yagna जो हो रहा है, जो आरती हो रही है उसके बीच में मेरा, how does he come and sit in between? I'm standing over there, this place is there, I'm talking on walkie talkie. Vivek, you have to come from there, come up the thing, nobody will notice you, you're on gear, come and sit where I am sitting, can you see me? तो अंधेरे में बाहर बोर्ड के ऊपर से निकल रहा है वो. So those are high points that you remember. It's like making such movies, it's a challenge, and nobody should look into camera. तो मेरा कैमरा एक उधर छुपा हुआ है. How he comes in the middle of the आरती started, he comes and he does the whole आरती over there, and you start getting goosebumps, and you're like, okay, action, मैं मन में action बोल दिया, and the whole thing is rolling. So you love all these things, and yes, the hardships throughout the movie was different. Climates that we went to, the snow that we went to, that Harshil was the coldest bloody snow that we've gone through, and how army guys over there, function. I have hats off. We met all the army guys. Our car is stuck. How they go and rescue our car, and how we, एक दिन में 4 scenes are there. Okay, so there are 200 people waiting to make a yatra over here. तो वो आना बाकी है. Wait, I have to first get up in the morning, finish the snow shot, go to the next, go to here. So those are, when you start reliving, it's like, my God, how did we do it? We don't even know.
Right.
Time,
But you
space, everything.
did it.
Yeah, budget, this, that, both, everything matters. And it's not only this film. Any movie and every movie goes.
Right.
From getting up in the morning to sleeping in the night, then you relive what all have you done. Acha, ye kar diya, ye kar diya, ye kar diya. Ah, we're fantastic. Acha, ye this. Then when you see it finally edit mein hua ki nahi hoga, something is left, then mar gaye. But yes, generally, that is what a director has to go through.
Lovely. Sir, lastly, how was your experience working with Vivek sir on this particular movie?
Oh, I mean, love the guy, love the character that he's playing, and love his dedication to the film. And I know Vivek through ages. I mean, he used to watch my 8 minute show earlier. When he was a child, maybe, and he says, I remember he was in college and this and that. Once we kept on meeting in different stage shows that I used to do and this and that. He grew up. Many masti bhi ki thi as an art director. So, and time and again we kept on meeting. And suddenly when I was judging India's Best Drama was on a platform, so he was the judge with me. So throughout that journey, we keep on talking to each other. Acha, we should do a film together. We should do a film together. The kids are saying, and suddenly Sandeep Singh came along and he said, "Okay, let's do this film. How about Vivek?" I said, "Oh." Feel that from that day, I kept on seeing him as Modi ji. अच्छा ये ऐसा होएगा, ये ऐसा लगेगा, ये ऐसा बात करता है. Yeah, he looks like it. ये कर सकते हैं prosthetic करके. So then, I mean, and the hats off to him, the dedication that he has to any character that he plays, his whole journey of every actor that he's played as a different character, he's done his full bit. And over here, maybe 100 times more. To getting him at 4 o'clock in the morning to have prosthetics for about 3.5 hours, 4 hours, to come on the set at 7 o'clock for a role is ultimate. It's like nobody's done this movie, and he's super for it.
Lovely. Sir, lastly, what do you have to tell the audiences? Everybody is really waiting.
I'm just waiting that people now finally will see it, across India, and it'll get its reach that it's required. Word of mouth will spread more, and I want everyone to see this film. It's beautifully done. It's it's inspirational, and bande ne achhi picture banai hai. I mean, I like it. Aisa hona chahiye. It's a nice, hard-hitting film, and the producers have put in so much, in this, and we're waiting for a fantastically. And MX Player coming on board was like a biggest thing that we can expect on this thing. हम कब से सोच रहे थे कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म पर कौन से, and this is a fantastic thing. So Sandeep and everyone who's taken the decision is superb, and this is what I was waiting for.
Thank you so much, sir. It was lovely talking to you, and we can't
Thank
wait
you.
for the next episode of September.
Thank you, Kavya. Thank you. Take care.
Thank you. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.